Is that Lavish?
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Lavish 5.0 coming at you guys with another video.
What did he say?
Alright guys, we're coming with a special episode today of Lavish Vehicles. My boy Mr Hellcat is finally going to be giving away the Hellcat. Make sure you guys enter into that. We both have mixed emotions about this. We've been through so much with this car. But anyways guys, I'm finally going to be telling you guys what's done to the Hellcat. I know we always just say 1,000 horsepower or whatever, but we're finally going to be going into depth on the car. We're going to hop straight into this video guys. Drop a like, comment, subscribe if you're new. But yeah guys, we're hopping straight into this video, okay? Alright guys, I'm here with John. Can you tell me a little bit about the Hellcat?
So yeah, it's actually a 2018 Dodge Charger Hellcat. We pretty much got this thing fully modded out on what this stock block can handle. It's basically a full bolt-on Hellcat with a ported blower, bigger throttle body, and a ported snout, which is making somewhere around 1,000. Thinking to the wheels, it hasn't been on the dyno yet, but I'm just gonna call it 1,000.
Alright, cool. What's your favorite aesthetic mod done to the car?
As funny as it might seem, it's actually might have to be the headlights.
The headlights, really?
The headlights definitely an eye grabber, so yeah, I definitely love the headlights.
Those are awesome headlights. Look at all the different designs you got going on in that. That's really cool.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Have a good
really
day.
sharp.
You had to say, what's your least favorite part about the car?
I guess everybody can agree with me that has a V8. Gas prices. Gas is horrible in this car. I average about like 7 miles to the gallon.
Gas is pretty many right now, guys. RIP y'all V8 owners. That's why my car's down. Last question. What do you think the fastest car that you've ever beaten in a race would be?
So actually on my old setup, I actually did 1,000 horsepower Alpha 10 GTR.
That's crazy. All-wheel drive and making more power? I think he had anti-lag as well, right?
Yeah, he did actually.
That's crazy how well this thing performs for how heavy it is and the power level.
Yeah, I was actually surprised. So we actually took it out to the track and spinning with a 1.5 60 foot, we still was able to do a 9.5. So I'm pretty happy. It should be a low 9-second car, but never really got the chance to test it.
Alright guys, thanks to John for sharing about the Hellcat. We're gonna go on a short ride along and you guys are coming with us. I hope you guys enjoyed this little segment and we're out. Oh yeah, what does the power feel like in this? Is it like top end? Is it instant power? What type of power would you say?
So it's actually crazy. It's actually instant power in this thing. This thing got so much torque off the line, it's insane.
Yeah. Oh, that's crazy. I can't wait to feel the pull.
The downshifts?
It's good. Let me hear the downshift. Damn. That's not even half throttle, huh?
Hell no, that was barely not even quarter throttle.
Dang, that's crazy. This car is surprising me every time I ride in it. It pulls stupid hard, guys. The video doesn't even do it justice.